Alright, another little drawing. I figured something that's saving the day here. Let's move the camera, I mean the light. Hold it. Alright, hopefully you can see. Here's my level. See my level? This is saving the day. See how down there it's going to my low point? Alright. Just did the other side. Alright. So we're getting a little dialed in. Put my waist on either sides. See that? getting dialed in. Alright. Now let me come down. See my level? Just the bottom of it.